this is Laurie with Journey with the Gingers, and welcome to the 12 Days of Vlogmas. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make Santa Munch, which is a sweet popcorn treat that you can enjoy your family watching your favorite Christmas movie, or you can even give it as a gift to others. If you're enjoying these videos, or if you really like travel videos, please subscribe to our channel by hitting that red button below. And if you like this video, also please give it a thumbs up. We definitely appreciate the support. Now let's get started. Alright, these are the things you're going to need to make this recipe. This is called Santa Munch, or it could also be called Christmas Popcorn. But you're going to need some popped popcorn, 8 to 10 cups. You want it to be lightly buttered and salted. You're also going to need half a cup of white cake mix. You're going to need 16 ounces of white chocolate almond bark, or you can use candy melts. And that's what I use. These are from Walmart. You're also going to need some candy sprinkles. And I'm going to use Christmas colors because, you know, it's Christmas. So you're going to need a cup of holiday M&M candies, and I'm using the holiday brownie M&Ms. They just sounded good, but you can use regular M&Ms. And you're also going to need some non-stick parchment paper. I've now popped my popcorn. I removed all the unpopped kernels, and I went ahead and sprayed my popcorn with some spray butter, and I use this kind. If you want to put some melted butter on it, it's fine. I like to use the spray butter because it doesn't seem to make it shrink as much. You know how it does when you put too much butter on it. So you want some kind of butter on it because you want the cake mix to be able to stick to it. Next, I'm going to add the M&Ms. And to be honest with you, I mugged up the whole bag in because I realized there's not a lot more left in the bag after you take stuff out. For the next step, I'm going to take the half a cup of white cake mix and I'm going to sprinkle it all over the top. Now this next step, you can put it in a large bag and shake it, or you can stir it with a spoon. I'm going to try to stir it and see how it ends up. Alright, quick update. Stirring with a spoon didn't seem like it was going to get it all covered to me, so I thought of something else. Instead of using the big bag, I took some press and seal and I put it over the top of the bowl and sealed around the edges, and actually was able to hold both sides and turn it upside down and shake it. Press and seal worked, and it did a great job, and all the kernels are covered, and we're ready to go to the next step. Next, you're going to line your pan with parchment paper, and you're going to put all the mixture, the popcorn, the cake mix, and the M&Ms into your pan. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to melt the white chocolate. Now the recipe says that you should drizzle the chocolate. That was just half of the chocolate, so now I'm going to sprinkle some of the Christmas sprinkles on top, and then I'm going to repeat those two steps again. So it's going to be white chocolate sprinkles, white chocolate stir, add sprinkles, white chocolate stir, add sprinkles. And these little sprinkles are really cute from Walmart because they have like little tiny Christmas trees and ornaments in them. So now it's really starting to look like Christmas popcorn. Love it. Alright, let's repeat the step with the white chocolate and the sprinkles again, and we'll be almost done. Now it's all mixed together. Let's take a closer look at it. Yum. The M&Ms kind of stick to the bottom. But it's all mixed together, and now we're going to let it cool for 30 minutes. And then it all should be hardened. The white chocolate should be hardened. And we're going to break it apart, and we're going to put it in a container. So I first had this tall glass canister, so I thought this would be really pretty to store it on the counter because of the Christmas colors in it. I think this would be a pretty extra decoration and also a place to put a delicious snack on the counter. You can also put it in these individual tins that you get from the Dollar Tree and give them to friends as gifts or co-workers. I hope you enjoyed this video and found this recipe to be useful. Whether you choose to enjoy it yourself or give it away as a gift, I'm sure it will be a great delicious treat for someone. Please make sure that you're subscribed to our channel so you can see future videos like this and lots of good travel videos as well. And if you hit that like button, we definitely appreciate it. And as always, please stay safe and continue to journey on.